In this video, you will learn how to use Cash App without SSN. Download and install Cash App. Get the Cash App app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, then sign in and install on your device. Sign up for an account, open the app and create a new account using your phone number or an email address. Skip the SSN verification. When prompted to enter your social security number, choose the option to skip the verification. However, this can limit some of the features. Link a bank account or debit card. Add a valid bank account or debit card, then send or receive money without your SSN verification. Set up a cash tag. Create your unique cash tag to receive payments easily from other people. Start using Cash App. Send and receive payments. Check your balance and use basic features without your social security number verification. Now you know how to use Cash App without your social security number. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.